This is the ultimate course on social media advertising. My name is Dekker Fraser, and I am a social media advertising expert. I taught college-level digital marketing, and I received my MBA in marketing from Philip Kotler's Kellogg School of Management, the #1 ranked business school for marketing. I was a global marketing manager and brand manager for Sony PlayStation, and I was also a VP of marketing for a Google Accelerator startup. Let's talk about what we're going to learn in this social media advertising course. Here are a few of the key things. How to acquire customers quickly and cheaply. How to run advertisements on Facebook, LinkedIn, TikTok, Twitter, and more. How to optimize your campaigns to maximize return on investment. Advanced targeting techniques that very few people know about. How to get short-term revenue as well as long-term growth from social ads. How to run virtually every type of ad using every objective that's out there. How to use different ad types. These are things like videos, images, inbox, messages, and more. How to amplify your organic content with paid media. How to amplify your social ads with off-site promotions such as direct mail. How to plan ads for every stage of the marketing funnel from top to bottom. And how to pull everything together into a coherent social media advertising plan. Let's get started.